Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows 10 or 11 in just a few simple steps. First, open your browser and type VS Code in the search bar. Then press Enter. Click the first link to open the official Visual Studio Code website, and then click Download for Windows. The download will start. The speed depends on your internet connection. Once it's finished, open the downloaded VS Code setup file. Select I accept the agreement, then click Next, Next, and again Next. If you'd like a desktop shortcut, check that box, click Next, and then click Install. Visual Studio Code will begin installing. Just wait a moment. When the setup finishes, uncheck Launch Visual Studio Code. If you don't want it to open right away, then click Finish. You can now minimize your browser, and you'll see the VS Code icon on your desktop. Double-click it to open and start using Visual Studio Code. And that's it. That's how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows 10-11. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.